Racing Jazz is started with Dandino. Break leader starting twice is Spartan. Haring Araw comes next. Dulce Ballerina. Princess Tin Calabarzon comes next. In between horses comes Thunder Max Oka. Tokat then followed now by Spartan June 3 Mezzanine. While Real Talk is the early trainer by about 20 lengths of the leader. And going along for the poster now we have Think Twice takes command by about half length. Dandino in second. Dulce Ballerina is racing in third. Haring Araw Oka. Tokat moving up is Princess Tin Calabarzon is Spartan. June 3 Mezzanine. Then comes Real Talk while Thunder Max now racing in less. In 03 Octavo we have Think Twice by about 3/4 of a length lead. Dandino in second. Dulce Ballerina. Then here comes Oka. Tokat together with Spartan. Then next online is Dulce or number 9. And this one is Calabarzon. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Think Twice by about 2 lengths. Dulce Ballerina in second. Danny inside Spartan. Oka Tokat. Last 100 meters. We have Think Twice by about 2 lengths. Spartan Oka Tokat is on the outside. But it's still Think Twice. Spartan third. Oka Tokat, Dulce Ballerina. Then comes Real Talk, Calabarzon.
Okay, bayan kalorista, ang ating unofficial winner for this race number 10. It's the 4 horse, Think Twice, with the rider Kelvin Bobo na si balikan ng replay para dito sa